Happy Wednesday, everyone. Jordan here from the 3D Print Stop. Let's check on some prints. All right, first up, we had this client project. It was a gear for an electronic car. This was printed in PETG. It looks great. And I'll get the supports off. Next, we have the giant ghost on the Prusa XL. This thing is huge. Get the support off, and there we go. All right, next we have another mushroom tray. Perfect. And over on the A1s, we have some name tags. These are looking perfect. Those are all the prints today. And remember, if you need any filament, new printers, or some accessories for your printers, come to the 3D Print Stop, and I'll see you soon. Thanks.